Hi everyone, I'm Abby Eckler, and I did my literacy centers on the book called Turkey Trouble by Wendy Slovano. And this is my second center, and it's for the medium level readers. The students are going to do a couple activities in this center, and they have three standards that they're working with. The first standard is LAFS 0.1.RL.1.3, which says describe characters, settings, and major events in a story using key details. The second standard is the standard LAFS 0.1.RL.3.7, which states use illustrations and details in a story to describe its characters, settings, or events. The final standard is a writing standard. It's LAFS 0.1.1 or LAFS 0.1.W.1.1, which states write opinion pieces in which they introduce the topic or name the book they are writing about, state an opinion, supply a reason for the opinion, and provide some sense of closure. The first thing that they are going to do is do a prediction piece. They're going to write what they predict is going to happen to the turkey and then draw a picture of it. The second thing they're going to do is a story map. And they're going to have access to the book, a copy of the book during their center, and just in case they need to go back and reread the story, or they are needing the pictures to help identify what happened. It's a Turkey Trouble story map. Settings, character, problem, and solution. There's a line for writing, and there's a picture box, and I'm asking students to fill out both as best as they can. If they get one or the other good, it's okay. It's not the end of the world, but I'm asking them to do it as best they can. The final thing is the opinion writing, and it's a fun little disguising a turkey, how they would like it. Here's your turkey. And it says, in my opinion, Turkey should have disguised himself as, here's a line where they could disguise it, tell us what they're disguising as, soccer player, corn on the cob, whatever they want to disguise their turkey, that's where they're going to put it. And then they're going to tell us the reason why they think it is a good idea for turkey to be disguised as whatever they disguise it as. My rubrics. This is my rubrics. I have 1 star being they can't do something, and then 4 stars being they master the skill. So I can reread with my partner well. 1 star means you didn't pay attention. 2 stars means you sometimes were paying attention, and 3 stars is paid attention most of the time, and 4 stars is paid attention all the time. So that's my rubric, and it says another one. I can reasonably predict what will happen in the story. If they give a prediction that is not related to the story, they're talking about football instead of turkeys, then that's why they would only get 1 star. And another one is I can identify character, settings, and plot in a story. And my final one is I stated my opinion, put spaces in between my words, wrote clearly, and used punctuation in my writing. So 1 is not being proficient and not getting anything right, and then sometimes 2 stars is sometimes they got it. 3 stars is most of the time they were able to complete the skill, and 4 stars is they mastered the skill.